All right, so we're going to talk about adding sound effects to our project. We already have our project space set up. We have our sequence right here. Remember, you have to call it your name, and then we can call this dodgeball project. When we click on our media browser, we want to look for our video. Here's the video that I'm going to use for this project. I'm going to use this video of this baby. I'm going to right click, import. Now the baby shows up in my project panel. When I drag this video onto here, it shows right here. Remember, if it comes up, you have to click change sequence settings. Now, if I need to watch this big screen to see what I'm working with, I'm going to go to Window, Maximize Frame. And it's going to maximize that frame. That's not what I was looking to maximize. Restore frame size. If I click on this, however, and I click maximize frame, I can see that picture nice and big. I can kind of toggle through to see what it is I'm working with. All right, so here's what we're going to be manipulating. There's this little baby here, and let's click play. He's playing with his brother, and his brother hit him. All right, he's not hurt. He's just embarrassed. All right, so let's add a sound effect to that. Window, restore frame size. What we need to do is we need to find the spot where the baby gets hit, which would be right about here. We go through it frame per frame, and we find the exact moment of impact right there. What I want to do is I want to add a marker to that. Here's your marker. It says add marker. I click that. And then now I know exactly where to add my sound effect. So I'm going to go to Sound Bible. And I'm going to look for my strong punch. Now, remember that strong punch sound. Now, I need to download this sound. So when I click on it, I want the MP3 version of this sound. So I click on MP3, and it's going to come up here. And now my downloads folder is active. When I import, I go to File, I go to Import, and then I have to look into my downloads folder right here. And I'm going to find that strong punch sound effect. There's going to be a lot of stuff in there. All right, but there it is, strong punch MP3. When I import that, it shows up right here in my project panel, and then I can add that right to the section. I already have it marked where the baby got hit. So when I scroll back a little bit, we've added that sound effect to the baby getting hit.